last chance. Off the plane or off the plane?
What are the choice?
I'm not gonna tell you. Off the plane or off the plane on jail. You choose right now. What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
At 3:45 p.m. on a Friday, officers at a major Atlanta, Georgia airport were called to a Spirit Airlines aircraft. A passenger had purchased seat 13E, been reassigned to row 37, and flatly refused to leave. The woman's mobile boarding pass, refreshed live on camera, still displayed seat 13E. She was traveling to Chicago for a funeral. Despite her visible distress, the captain had already made the removal decision and it was final. Under 49 U.S.C. Section 44902. The pilot in command holds near absolute federal authority to refuse transport to any passenger. That authority is not subject to negotiation by ground staff, law enforcement, or the passenger herself.
What's up, boss?
Hey, how's everything?
If you she's still not compliant, you can take everybody out.
Okay, and you don't want her flying at all, not even if she moves her seat? Okay. All right, I'm gonna have to have her come up here.
She's in 13. She's supposed to sit in this seat. She don't want to go.
Well, now the captain says no, it doesn't matter.
She want to get out.
So can you ask her to come up here, please?
She's not gonna come.
Not gonna come.
She said you have to drag her because she's not going nowhere. That's what she said.
Unless you leave that with them here.
3 Kilo 1. Give me a 29 commercial flyer for Terminal 1. I'll see my car.
How are you? Deputy Soto.
I'm grieving is actually how I'm doing. I'm trying to get to a funeral.
I'm sorry.
Today.
Okay, ma'am, I'm sorry about that. But now...
I'm sitting in my assigned seat.
No, you're supposed to be at 37E.
No.
Ma'am.
You think I would make this up? You think I would hold everybody
It's right
up?
here.
It's also right here.
That's a screenshot, ma'am.
It's the app, view my boarding pass. Why would I make that up? Why would I make that up? It's unspirited spirit. You think I'm going to waste my
time? Ma'am, it says 13E.
That's where I am.
Okay, give me a minute. Let me see your phone. Listen,
no, I'm trying
to help you.
Are you?
Yes,
because isn't everyone else seen this?
I came here respectfully.
I understand that, but I've been so disrespected.
Let me show it to the
I'm just trying to get to Chicago.
Right now,
I have a funeral tonight.
But this is
I've been working all day.
I understand.
I don't work for Spirit.
I know that.
But you're tired.
Okay.
I'm trying to be patient. I've lost my zen.
Okay, relax. Relax. Just take it down just a little. I'm trying to help you.
Then talk to them.
Okay, let me go talk to them, but I need to see the phone. I'm going to give it right back. I'm on body camera. I'm not going to take your phone.
I don't think that you're going to take my phone. I would just like to have my body camera. Okay. You see what I'm saying?
Okay. Let me see what I can do.
I'm not from Florida.
Let me see what I can do. Okay? If you're correct, then everything should be fine.
Why would I make this up?
Well, because everything is here saying that you're on 30. You're supposed to be 37E. So I don't know what the mix-up is.
They mixed it up. Which
give me
they
1 minute.
need to fix.
Let me see.
That's not.
That's the app, right?
Yes,
it's the app.
is.
Okay. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Let me talk to the captain. Hey, sir. I know it's on her app, though.
Yeah, but if she refreshed, she would have seen her seat.
A screenshot. Okay.
That's a screenshot.
Okay, a screenshot. She opened it up for me, so show me how.
Yeah, I can show you this.
Let me see.
$11 too. Yeah.
This is on her wallet.
Yeah, but tell her to refresh.
Yeah, no, it's fine. Okay. Open up the app. This is your Apple. This is on your Apple Wallet. If you open up your app, it's going to show you 37E.
Because they changed it.
Okay, if they changed it, that's not our issue.
This is the app.
Okay, and what's the app say?
View my boarding pass.
Yes. What's it say?
13E. Do you think I would really be like making a deal about this?
Okay, I had to refresh. It's still saying 13E. Okay. She refreshed it. It's saying 13E.
Yeah, but what happened is,
I understand, but if she's refreshing it,
Yeah, but
13E, it's not a screenshot. So I'm not telling you how to do your job, but if this is a mix-up, then somebody's got to accommodate her for some reason. Let me talk to the captain.
so what they're saying is that she didn't get for the distance.
I understand she didn't. Hey, sir, there's an issue with her. On her app, it's saying 13E. So the thing is, with the ticket, her and Spirit, something happened. But she's supposed to be, as from when she originally purchased the ticket, it said 13E. But now she's being told she got to go to. So I understand her not wanting to leave, but something's got to give with her and Spirit. Then it's not. You see what I'm saying? I don't want to kick somebody off who doesn't deserve to be kicked off because of an error. That's my concern.
Here's my concern. If she's not complying with flight instructions, that's a no-brainer.
No, I understand that.
The responding deputy attempts de-escalation before enforcement. He reviews the passenger's app, relays the discrepancy to the captain, and advocates on her behalf, stating he does not want to remove someone who does not deserve it. The captain attributes the discrepancy to a system lag following an aircraft equipment swap, a standard airline operational change. Regardless of who caused the error, the captain's authority under federal statute does not depend on fault. With mediation exhausted, the deputy issues a formal warning. Under Georgia Code annotated section 16721, remaining aboard after a lawful order from an authorized party constitutes criminal trespass. The captain's directive meets that threshold. The captain orders a full deboard of the entire aircraft, delaying every passenger on board. Several travelers voluntarily offer their seats to resolve the dispute. The captain declines. The window for accommodation has closed.
Flight instructions on the airplane, she's not flying the airline.
No, I understand that, but my thing is, if this all started because of an error, you see what I'm saying?
Let's hold on. Let's have a conversation like two human beings. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you. Listen, that's fine. You don't want to have a conversation? That's fine. Let me tell you what's gonna happen.
what is there a conversation?
You're gonna come off the plane. If you refuse to come off the plane, I'm gonna take this. I'm giving you your last warning. You refuse to come off the plane, you're gonna go to jail today. I'm gonna deplane everyone off the plane. I'm gonna drag you off the plane. That's fine. I'll give you my last warning. All right. She said she's not coming off.
No. He said if I could get her to move her seat, she could fly.
All right.
Let me see.
How many souls are on
I'm trying to
this
tell
plane?
you.
How many seats are on
Deplane the
this
plane.
plane? Everyone is sitting down.
Papa, deplane the plane.
Everyone
Come on.
is sitting down. Just deplane.
That's fine. No point in arguing with her. All right, start your deboarding. We're going to take her into custody. Deplane the plane.
Let me go to my area. Thank you.
I tried. Thank you.
That's it. Now she's definitely going to jail. Sorry.
I tried, bro.
Hey, Cap, you go ahead and deboard the plane. She's going to jail. She don't want to come off.
Excuse me, sir. I'm sitting right in the aisle right across. If I give up my seat and then
This is already out of.
it's already
done.
Folks from the flight deck, not the best news for you, but we have a passenger who needs to get off the aircraft. Whenever that happens, we have to remove everyone from the aircraft. So everybody's going to be deboarding. Take your stuff with you. When we can get a chance to board
You go ahead and
but for now, everybody.
You just said take it off.
They have to take
You just said take it off. That's all.
Yeah, I got to take it off.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately, you have to take your belongings with you. Everything has to come off this aircraft at this point.
A supervisor notes this is the third identical incident at the airport that day, pointing to a systemic Spirit Airlines seat assignment failure. He acknowledges the passenger may be factually correct, but legally wrong in refusing to comply. The deputy delivers a final ultimatum: walk off voluntarily and rebook, or remain seated and go to jail. The passenger does not move. The officer initiates the arrest under Georgia Code annotated section 16721 criminal trespass. The removal is calm and controlled, no injury, no struggle. Under Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 3861989, force is judged from the officer's perspective on scene. The controlled escort employed here meets that constitutional standard entirely. Following the incident, the passenger was charged with disorderly conduct and criminal trespass, fined, and issued a 5-year Spirit Airlines ban, imposed by the same airline whose system error created the conditions for her arrest.
You sincerely apologize.
I just talked to the chief pilot. Third time it's happened today. Just to let you know. So I've been in Atlanta. This is the third
Oh, really? One of those days.
Here's here's the other thing. She's in a fucking exit. You got somebody emotionally disturbed and upset, and now they're in an exit row.
Yeah. Who knows if she's been telling us? Yeah.
Now, usually when I tell everybody that I'm going to take everybody off and turn it against the person, then they get some.
No, there was some. To be honest with you, there were some people willing to give up their seats for her.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It was too late. I thought they were exiting out. Hey, I'll give up my seat for her. I'm like, too late. You know, I don't even think that would have helped. You know?
No, she's not moving out. She's just.
She's adamant because of the fact it says, and I told her, I said, this happened to me before. I showed up for my flight, my seat was changed. And it says right there, it says, you know, subject to change.
Yeah.
It happens, you know?
They gave her the correct boarding pass.
Yeah, the boarding pass, yeah. It happened to me, my app says, see, I get to the airport, no, here's your boarding pass, it's been changed. Oh, okay. That's never notified.
Sometimes they change equipment, so that can change the seats too.
You really want to go to jail? You really want to go to jail?
I'll be the first time without the deboard.
Okay, let's not make it a second time or a third time. Let's just get off the plane. This is the final chance. Okay. Once the handcuffs go on,
I'm not
there's no negotiating.
That's it.
Either get off the plane or go to jail.
I'm not doing anything.
One last chance. Off the plane or off the plane and go to jail.
What am I doing?
I'm not going to tell you. Off the plane or off the plane and go to jail. You choose right now. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Off the plane?
Hold on, Q. Wait,
or off the plane and go to jail. Pick one. He's asking you. Please stand up and walk off. 5. If you stand up and walk off, you can rebook. 3, 2.
If not, you're going to jail.
1. All right. Let's go. Stand up.
10-4. It's going with your stuff.
In the bag.
Put it in. That's the only bag, ma'am? Anything else? Your blanket? And your pillow? My car's upstairs. Let me just up by 325. You got it or something?
Yeah.
We're gonna
The responding deputy receives a grade of B+. Sustained de-escalation, accurate legal explanation of Federal Aviation Authority, multiple clear warnings before arrest, and proportional use of force throughout the entire encounter. The passenger receives a grade of C+. Her frustration was legitimate and her underlying claim credible. However, a passenger does not have the right to remain aboard after a captain's lawful removal order, regardless of who caused the error. Spirit Airlines receives a grade of D. A live boarding pass confirming seat 13E, while back-end records showed otherwise, is a serious system failure. Calling law enforcement rather than resolving it administratively was a fully avoidable escalation. The first lesson: know the legal hierarchy on a commercial aircraft. The pilot in command's authority under 49 U.S.C. Section 4, 4902, supersedes any civil dispute with the airline. Being right about your seat does not give you the right to stay. The second lesson: document and deplane. If an airline makes an error, the legally smart move is to exit, preserve your evidence, and pursue a civil remedy. An arrest record and a 5-year flight ban are far costlier than a delayed departure. The third lesson: de-escalation is a two-way obligation. The officer demonstrated it professionally, but passengers too can choose words that open doors rather than close them. Stating you must be dragged ends negotiation before it can succeed. The final lesson: airline system errors carry real legal consequences. Spirit Airlines' failure to sync its app with back-end records and to notify affected passengers turned a routine customer service issue into a criminal matter.